Hi guys, welcome back to SoftAsia Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add carved shadow effect like this into your Elementor page. You can see I have added this section and text in this, and under it you can see this carved shadow which looks awesome there. So to create this effect, let's go to your Elementor page builder where I will show you how to create it from scratch. So here on my Elementor page, first of all I will design the page layout. I will click on this plus button and I will select this 3-column structure. Now I will change height to fit to screen and I will go to style. Here first of all I will change the section background. I will choose color and I will add this yellow color. Now in this middle column I will drag in an intersection. Now delete a column in the intersection and I will go to intersection settings. In the layout I will change its height to minimum height and make it 300. Now I will go to style and I will add a background color in it. So I will choose color and I will give it this color. Also I will add a border. So for the border I will choose solid and its width I will choose 12. For the color I will change it to white. Now in this column I will add an heading widget. So I will click on this plus button and drag in an heading widget. I will change text to curved shadow effect. Now I will align it to the center and go to style. In this style I will change its color to dark black. Typography I will increase its size to 40. Also I will transform it to uppercase and font weight I will make it 800. Now I will go to this column settings and align it to the middle. Now after aligning it to the middle, I will add curved shadow in this column. So to add curved shadow, I will select this outermost column and go to its advanced settings, and here in the custom CSS I will add my CSS code. By the way, you cannot add custom CSS in the Elementor free version. You have to install Elementor Pro to create this effect. So I will paste my code here. Now as soon as I have pasted the code, you can see here a curved shadow effect appears here. Here you have all the controls. You can change its width, height, origin and also opacity. Let me change it. For the opacity I will make it 0.5 and here in the width I will make it 50 and height I will make it 60. Also in the bottom I will make it 30 or 25, so it will look like that. Now I will update the page. After updating I will click on this I button to preview the changes. So here I am on my page. So here you can see a beautiful curved shadow effect in this column. That's how you can add curved shadow effect into your Elementor page. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like this video and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching.